How to navigate YouTube TV. YouTube TV provides a user-friendly interface with intuitive menus for browsing live TV, on-demand content, and recordings. Here's how to make the most of its features. Step 1. Open YouTube TV. Launch the app. Open the YouTube TV app on your smart TV, streaming device, smartphone, or web browser. Sign in. Log in with your Google account if prompted. Step 2. Use the main menu tabs. Home tab. Browse recommended shows, trending videos, and personalized suggestions. Explore categories such as movies, sports, and news. Live tab. Access the live TV guide with current programming. Scroll through the channel list and select a show to watch live. Library tab. View recorded content, scheduled recordings, and recently watched shows. Organize recordings by shows, movies, or sports. Step 3. Search for specific content. Use this search icon. Click the magnifying glass at the top of the screen. Type a name or keyword. Enter the name of a show, movie, or channel. Select the result. Click on the desired content to watch or record. Step 4. Manage your profile and settings. Access settings. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. Adjust preferences. Memberships. Manage subscriptions and add-ons. Area settings. Update your home or playback location. Parental controls. Set restrictions and filters for content. Step 5. Use playback controls. Pause, rewind, and fast forward. Use remote buttons or on-screen controls while streaming. Enable closed captions CC. Click the CC button during playback to toggle captions on or off. Step 6. Explore additional features. Add to library. Select Add to record shows or events for future viewing. Jump to last channel. Press the back button on your remote to return to the last channel. Multi-view. Watch multiple channels at once on supported devices.